today's video, I'm going to show you how to carve a textured weta like this one. There's a lot of textures going on in this wedding ring, but believe me, it's going to be a lot easier to do than it looks. That's why I think it's going to be a great beginner project for you guys. All we're going to need for this project is a tube of wax, scriber, a medium-sized burr, a set of dividers, and a set of calipers. Almost forgot, wax file, sharp needle file, toothbrush, jeweler's saw, and sandpaper, 180 grit. And we're going to need a micromotor. So first I'm going to measure this weta. It's 11 millimeters. Now what I'll do now is I'll open up the set of dividers to the mark. Scribe a line around the tube. Start cutting along the line. You don't have to make your weta 11 mil wide. You might want yours to be 6 or 7 mil wide. Now I just need to clean up this side with the wax file. So we need to get the finger size for the weta. We've got a size of around 18 millimeter. So we're going to transfer that over to the wax. Use the dividers and scribe a line in the inside of the ring. This line is just a guide. Do the same on the other side. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually open up the hole by using this big burr. Take your time and stay inside the lines. We've basically got it to the size that we want. I can put it on my finger. I know that it is a little tight at the moment, so it's better to be too tight. What we're going to do now is we're just going to file a little bit at a time and then just keep on trying it on until it's the perfect fit for our finger. What we're going to do is going to file in the inside and just move the ring around at the same time as we're filing, so we can sort of file an even amount out of the ring shank. Now we're going to try it on again, and it's a little bit closer, so we don't need to file too much out. Now I'm going to flip this file over, and we've got a finer teeth on this side, so that'll just make it a little bit nicer in the inside, a little bit smoother. Almost there. There we go, done. This is going to be the fun part where we use the burr to scoop out our organic pattern. What I've done is I've reduced the size of the burr, so now I'm using a 5 millimeter burr, and that's just giving me a little bit more control over the texture, and it's coming out a little bit nicer than using the bigger burr. I've gone all the way around and I've scooped out these little textured divots into the ring. Now I just need to make them look a little bit more interesting. I need to spend a little bit more time making these shapes look a lot more random. I'll just show you how it's done. Might be easier if I draw it out. Step 1, burr out different sized divots all the way around the band. Step 2, now start joining them together, making them look more random in shape. It should look something like this. I've used the burr to go right up to the edge, and I'm just going to create more of a random shape. And see how I've got these edges here, so I want to bring burr right up to the edge here and just create some random looking shape, because that's going to make it look a lot more interesting. Use a toothbrush so you can just see what you're doing, but already these are looking a lot better. You want to try and get them looking as uneven and as random as possible. Now I want to add this checker plate texture into the ring using a sharp needle file. Now we want to add a cross hatching texture using a sharp 3-corner file. We want each section to have 5 to 7 lines close together. Then do the same on the next section, but going in a different direction, giving the weta a checker plate pattern. Keep the lines straight and evenly spaced. Nice deep cuts. Might be easier to cut the lines in and then go over the cuts a second time to make them a little deeper. Now, how easy was that? Hopefully yours comes out as good as mine. If you're looking for another challenge, why don't you check this wax carving project here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a like. And leave a comment on what you think we should make next.